working. Order working. Order filled. Order working. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order working. Order working. working. Order working. Auto working. Auto working. Auto working. Build. Auto working. Film. Auto working. Auto fill. working. Order filled. Order cancelled. Order working. Order filled. Order working. Order filled. Order working. Order filled. working. Order working. Order cancelled. Order filled.
Mike. Hey, how's it going, everyone? Stock Tiger coming back to you here tonight, everyone. Hope you all had a great day. Oh man, I'm just getting absolutely annihilated on this trade. I got into 3 mini contracts and obviously I'm down about $1,000. Look to see if we can actually hold this EMA support. I was kind of a little bearish coming into today, to be honest, but I was looking for a little bit of a momentum move to the upside, but it looks like we are getting a little rejection here, so I don't like the way the kind of a price action we're getting right now, guys. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but have you guys I kind of feel like, you know, we're starting to see a little bit of a bear flag on the patterns that we're seeing the last few days. If you guys kind of feel, we've noticed a constant gap fill and go, and then it reverses back down again. So almost kind of feels like a continuation of retailers buying the dip and institutions selling the rip, right? So not a great looking chart, to be honest, but let's just see if we can actually get a little pop here. That cap pop, and then we'll see if we can actually try to short the market, guys. Let's just go back to the 30-minute chart. We kind of respected this EMA support here at 300. We are getting a little bounce off that level. The expectation is we get a bounce back into this zone. That would be the horizontal line here at 650 zone, maybe a little less than that, I guess. I would say somewhere in that 600, a little less than 600 is probably where this market may end up getting up to, and maybe start to get a pullback from that level. 1 second, guys. Okay, everyone, let's just call out the names here today. Sean Hazel, what is up? Andreas Jendrick, Captain Price, Adam B in the house, man. What is going on? Merlin Graves, what up? Michael Nguyen, Andreas, Captain Sean, Mike Chaps, O's in the house. Gold is moving. Is the gold actually moving, guys? Let's just take a look and see if the gold is actually moving. Firebird Spice Gold in the house. Hold on 1 second. Here we go. Alright, so just moving back to the 1 minute chart. Double dip nuts. What up? Trump is speaking at about White House. Really? Is Trump actually talking right now? Adam B in the house. What is up, man? Joe's Cabrera. Winsell last a third in the house. Mike is off. I don't know. I wasn't here, so. Pac West photo, Ghost Tiger, exactly, bro. Put Pablo in the house, La Verum, like what's? Bowser in the house, Mario, Everybody, welcome, guys. PG in the house. Mike Chaps, Michael Smith. Finance with Diego in the house. Tiffany Smoka. Are you crushing it? Not really. Well, I mean, I had a pretty decent day this morning. It wasn't that great, but I mean, it's okay. I'll take it. I didn't really get into a lot of trades this morning, so capitalize off every move. That's right. 10 Wozy, guys. If you guys want to support the stream, you guys know the drill. Please take a moment to smash the like, everyone, if you can. Support the stream, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Wow, look at that pop and a bad wick there, rejection there. Everybody, welcome to the stream, guys. How was your day? How did everybody did today? So for me, while you guys are gonna type in how you guys did today, I did some couple of trades. I did not really do anything pretty significant today. I got into some couple of trades with my funded futures on a funded account, and I also got an eval too. I passed one eval this morning on my funded futures, so I'm gonna have my third funded futures core funded account, and I only need 50 more bucks in one of the other eval account here with me. And then the one that I'm kind of working on right now, excuse me, need about $500. So let's see if we get a nice, beautiful bounce of this level now, and see if we can actually trigger my TP so I can kind of pass this as well. So I'm really targeting. So my goal for coming into today, the Asian market, is to pass 2 of my funded futures eval. So that's gonna get me five funded accounts with my funded futures account, the core, and that's gonna put me in a really good spot to keep getting payouts, guys. All right, so that's my goal for coming into today, my funded futures. And and my funding ticks, I have to continue trading my funding ticks because I've got to continue trading because apparently I thought it's a one-day pass, the account that I have. I kind of got confused, and so I got a lot more profits than I actually need. So now I have to trade a little longer because I need to bring down the consistency rate down to 40%, and currently I think I'm sitting at 55%. So maybe that's gonna kind of work out today and tomorrow, and see if we can actually end up passing that accounts as well. So funded accounts, funding tick account, I've got 2. And my funded futures target to get about 5 core funded account, and Tech Profit Trader, guys, man, it's going to look good too. Tech Profit Trader, I'm gonna have 3 pro accounts by Sunday. Let's get something else going here. Let's set up. So Take Profit Trader, I've got 3 evals. That's pretty much passed. I think I only need 1 or 2 more days to go, and I've got 53,000. So $3,000 in profits already made, so that's good there. So we'll trade my funded futures for now. And then let's take a look at the chat and see how did everybody do today.
Send it.
Show me the money. That's right. 10 Vozy, bad missed short early and was gonna walk away, but failed to short trap. Yeah, today was definitely a difficult day, guys, man. This morning was not easy. And so, you know what? That's why I decided to just not get into trades. It was just not worth my time. It was really hard to trade this morning, right? It's like, you kind of feel like there's a confirmation and all of a sudden the market starts to pull back or get a rejection. Like, I don't know, it was really a very big chop day, if you will. It was really tough for me to trade. So I was like, you know what, I'm just not gonna get into this trade anymore. It's really hard. Sean Hazel, what is up, man? PG, Petro Pros, Mike Chaps, everybody, welcome back, guys. All right, so we are trading this account right now. 550 here. We're sitting at 550, and it looks like we are getting a bit of rejection here at the 561 to 568. Today was amazing. Oh, really? It was amazing for you, Bowser. Stop trading. Stop trying to trade before 10 a.m. in the morning. 9:30 trading is a gamble. Oh, really? I mean, I like to trade the first 15 minutes of the day, right? The first 15 minutes of the day really present you with a lot of opportunities, I think, in my opinion. And then lately, it's only been the first 30 minutes of the day, and then the rest of the days are like kind of like, you know, it's a really chop, and then it starts to really pull back hard, or you get this little dead cat bounce, and that obviously, you know, traps all the longs, and then the market starts to pull back very deep and takes everybody out. The market's tough. PG, bro, I trade from 4:30 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's fine if you trade early in the morning, but if you're gonna be trading the entire duration of the day, then obviously that's gonna hurt. So, oh yeah, I completely forgot to even let you guys know. At about 3 in the morning, I got into a trade with my Tech Profit Trader Pro account, and I made about $900 on that trade. So that puts me at $27,350. So I'm going to be requesting a $900 of payout tonight as well. And this is the beautiful thing about Tech Profit Trader. Once you get above the buffer, you know, it's like every day, you know, you have one good trade, you end up taking a request to payout right on the very same day. And so it's $900 this morning, and now tonight I'm going to request $900 of payout, guys, on Take Profit Trader on one of my pro accounts. So that's great there. And let's take a look and see how many more days do I have to trade on my top step, guys. Top step says 2 days. That's weird. 3 days. So I still need to trade until maybe on Sunday. Until Sunday, guys. Gonna have to trade till Sunday. Okay. So let's see if we get a little bit of a bounce, guys. I'm gonna try and trim my position because I kind of feel like the market is looking a little weak, right? Unless we obviously get a bounce back into this 580, then of course a different conversation. But for right now, I would like to take 2 off the table as quickly as I can, and maybe just trim it down to like 1 contract. Oh man, I didn't realize today is Thursday, so that puts us. It's going to be the last trading day of the week, I guess, right? For Asia. So once this trading session is over, we are going to have to see you guys back on the Sunday night. Maybe I'll do a little pre-market trade tomorrow morning. Maybe. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna get into a pre-market trade, guys. JB in the house, man. This looks like an Apple. Guys, just think about it. I think it's the Apple and Nvidia that's kind of holding this market pretty hard. I haven't taken a look at the chart, but I almost kind of feel like it's the Apple and Nvidia that's kind of holding this market pretty well. But how long can this market actually hold on to this, though? That's $1 million question. This week flew so quickly. Yeah, Shahid Salim, how's your trades going? How's your payout going, brother? Oh well. Adam B, man, Palantir and Meta are strong as well, though. Yeah, but I mean, from the grand scheme of things, it doesn't really take a big chunk of the overall market, right? Apple and Nvidia, the two of the largest, right? Two of the largest stock. Stones only go up. It's walk to you, Mike Champs, man. All right, guys, today being the last day, obviously, of the trading week for Asia, should we do a giveaway? Do we do a giveaway, everyone? Let's do a little poll here. I want to hear from you guys. You guys let me know if you guys want to do a poll. All right, so is the market going to dump here today? And we had 53% said pump. So a lot of you guys are actually thinking the market's going to bounce. Interesting. Oh man, guys, we are getting a pullback here. Oh dear. 1 second, giveaway. All right, you guys let me know what kind of a giveaway you guys want to do. We have two options. We got I was gonna say Apple. We're gonna have Apex and we're gonna have a cash giveaway as well. One of the two, you guys pick. You guys let me know, guys. Took my stop on a long side. Yeah, this market, I don't know, man. It's just looking like it wants to have a slow grind to the downside. Maybe try to retest the 518. Is that what it is? I kind of feel like we have some more bounce to go here, but I could be wrong. So the Apex account that I'm gonna give away is going to be any account size, guy. It could be 300k, it could be 150k, it could be 50k. Well, it's up to you, your preference, guys. All I ask from you guys is show some love, right? Smack those likes like never before. If you guys want to support the stream, let's take a look at the vote here. I got 23 votes in favor of Apex account. That's great, man. I mean, I'm surprised that a lot of you want the Apex account, which is great. Yeah, 300k is nearly impossible. I would, even if you give me a free account, I wouldn't be able to pass 300k. I would never be able to do that unless you're trading off the, what do you call this again? If you're trading the CPI, right? Michael G, man, it was raining like crazy, guys. What the hell was that? I thought it was the end of the world. Guys, by the way, Take Profit Trader 40% off ends tomorrow. It's your last chance. If you guys need to reload an account, Take Profit Trader 40% off with the 100% test refund on your first withdrawal ends tomorrow. FYI, everyone. You'll take more TPTs. What form has the 1 million caps on profit? I don't even know if that matters, PG. Why does that matter? I think it ends on Friday from my understanding. It said this week. I don't know, what does that mean? Michael G, honestly, I tried both for Take Profit Trader. Me personally, I tried both 25k. I've tried 50k. I've tried 75. I tried 150. I kind of like 50 the most. I think it's right at the sweet spot, right? I mean, 25k allows you to. I mean, 25k presents you with an opportunity to get the payouts faster, right? But it also poses problems, right? You can also lose that account much faster, right? Even though it's only $500 less of a drawdown versus the 50k, but that $500 drawdown is pretty substantially important, right? The $500 of drawdown is a big difference. So honestly, me personally, I like the 50Ks versus any other account size, and that's just my personal opinion. And I could be wrong, but that's just what I think. I tried both. I tried quite a bit of 25Ks as well, but I always ended up losing. And one of the bigger problems is you have to understand you can only allow 5 accounts at a time. 5 per account at a time, right? And they only allow you 10 pro accounts in a given month. So let's just say if you use if you end up using a 25k and you end up losing that pretty quick, you may not end up having an account before the month is over. So that's what the problem is too. You have to think about that. Unless you're only getting about 1 or 2 accounts at a time, that's fine. Maybe it's easy. But if you're trading a little more aggressively and you're targeting, say, $5,000, $6,000 worth of payouts with Take Profit Trader, and you want to trade 10 accounts at a time, then you really have to think about the drawdown. Guys, man, I'm so tired today. I had a really long day, a lot of work, and yeah, a lot of work and a lot of stuff going on. I don't even know how I managed to go live every day. I'll be honest. But somehow I manage, which is great. And this is the whole point, right? This is the whole point of letting you guys know to not give up. You know, whatever you guys try to do, just not give up. You know, just keep fighting. You know, at some point you guys are gonna get it. Be smart and do not give up. You guys are gonna get there some point in time. What do you do for work? Bowser, man, I do a lot of stuff. You know, I've got my own little personal business I've got to take care of. And I also have a full-time job too. But that's pretty much like a partnership, so. We've got a lot of stuff going on the personal front. Holy, you've been a commercial roofer for 27 years? Really? 27 years? And you're now trading? Are you trading full-time Bowser? I don't know if this is the bull flag. I think this is a bear flag. You know, this looks like it wants to dump this market right now. I'm getting very nervous with my 3 contracts that I've got right here. I kind of feel like this could be a, you know, instead of getting a little pop, we may get a little dump here. Hopefully I get lucky. Or just, this is pretty much a 50-50 at this point. Yeah, that's a tough job. I mean, if you guys really think about it, as much as, you know, we keep saying trading is tough, you know, it's like, look at Bowser, 27 years of roofer, 27 years, man. That's a tough job, right? That's a tough job. You know, we're sitting in our chairs and trading and making a couple $1,000s on a good day. It's, some people make $2,700 in a month. And we're here sitting here using our finger to just click on the button on a mouse, and then we make about a couple $1,000s every day. That's not every day. Every whatever. Some people make every day, some people make it in a week. Depending on yeah, look, Merlin Graves, man. You're a nurse for 30 hours, $30 an hour. For 10 shift, $300. Yeah. Guys, man, you know, trading, as much as it's hard, if we do this right, you know, if we find a way to kind of like be able to be profitable in this trading journey, you know, at some point you guys are gonna be there, right? It's just a matter of time. It's like, how quickly can you get there? You know, do not rush, but of course at some point you're gonna get there. And once you're there, guys, man, it's just gonna be fun. A lot of fun. You know, I've been profitable for many months now, right? I've been profitable since 11 months ago. 11 months ago? No, I think I kind of lied. Since, that's right, 13 months now. So I've been profitable for 13 months. And I think I started this profit journey 17 months ago. I think 17 months ago when I started this profit journey. And I started to be profitable last year in the month of June. So last year in the month of June is when I kind of like recouped all my losses. And I started to become profitable that month. And then it just continued from there. Yeah, so it's, you know, it's a really great feeling, guys, man. You know, just being profitable in this journey, profit space. It's a lot of fun. It's, it poses a lot of opportunities, guys, for you to do a lot of different things. So just keep it up, you know. If you guys are struggling right now, it's just one of those things. You're just not gonna be. It's not something that all of a sudden you're gonna be profitable. It just takes time, you know. You mean how I calculate for yourself? Looks like this is going down. Uh-oh, brainwash cleaner. I can't afford to have this thing go down. Bowser, you've been in a pretty content with $500 a day. Yeah. Most people are greedy. Merlin, most people are greedy. They don't want to take the $500 run. Yeah, I mean, hey, I was like that. And I still do that time to time, I'll be honest. You know, I want just a little more. And then I end up blowing that account. And those are funded accounts I'm talking about, right? So it's not easy. it's very hard to pass the take profit trader 150k. Smaller accounts is easier. Again, it's great. 150k is not bad, by the way. If you can actually get above buffer, things become a lot more easy, because now you're gonna have $4,500 worth of drawdown in your pocket to play with, right? But the problem is you're gonna try to oversize because it's a bigger size, bigger account size. You're gonna start to add to more contracts, right, to try and get a little more, and that's when you have a little problem. So I kind of feel like 50k is probably the best out of all the account size, and that too, not just TPT. You know, it could be it's literally with everything else. You know, I'll give you a little bit of a hint. Sorry, not hint. A little bit of a tip that I like to use. I like to stay consistent with my account size across the board. That's what I try to do, right? Because that's going to give you a little more consistency to always be in that sort of the right size on your trades, right? Because if you keep moving back and forth between 25k, 50k, and 150k, you're gonna have to always adjust your contract size based on your account size, you know. And on top of that, you have to adjust your contract size based on the market volatility as well. So you got a lot of things you got to consider. So you're gonna have to try and make things very simple for you. If not, then you're gonna start to encounter a lot more problems. At some point, you're gonna be like, why am I messing up? Why am I losing my accounts? Why am I getting into bad trades? Why am I blowing my accounts more often than before? It's because maybe contract size based on your account size, right? What is up, Joker Straits, man? What is up? JR in the house. All right, so we have 60 votes here in a favor of a cash giveaway, guys. All right, so we'll do a $35 cash giveaway, guys, today. And all I'm gonna ask you guys is a little support, you know, a little support to the stream. Smoke those like, everyone, and subscribe if you guys are new. And always, you know, just hit that notification bell to always get notified every time I go live, guys. That is all I'm gonna ask for you guys to do. And if you guys are new and if you guys are old, doesn't matter who you are, subscribe to my main channel, because I will be going live on my main channel pretty soon here. Then I'll share the link to my main channel, guys. That's the main channel. I've got over 5,500 subscribers on that channel. So view my channel. Here you go. That is my link to my main channel, guys. I've got over 5,500 subs there, and very soon I'm gonna be going live on that account. Let's do a little fixing here. Is this market going to just chop, chop, chop? So we don't have any news coming out tomorrow. Winceles the third, thanks brother, thank you so much guys. Thank you guys for subscribing on my main channel too. Keep in mind guys, combine the both, I probably have over 7,000 subs now. And it's all thanks to you guys, man. All right, I want to get out of my position here, but this market is really not giving me a chance to get out, unfortunately. Anthony Nguyen, how long ago did you decide to create a YouTube content and then live streaming? I did it exactly 18 months ago. So that's about 1.5 years now. That's like 1.5 years. That's when I decided to go live streaming. So literally no balance. This market is kind of like a choppy. Doesn't change. And I'm also on a 1 minute chart too, but this market really does not want to move at all. So I don't know. Yeah, it's not easy, man. If you got a full-time job, if you got a lot of other personal stuff going on, and on top of that you try to trade all day, and on top of that you try to be a YouTube streamer, it's tough, man. It's really hard. It's not easy, I'll tell you that much. But if you can somehow manage that, it's awesome. It's awesome. Sean Hazel, it's not supposed to be easy. I think it's beyond. It's tough. It's very, very tough. It's not easy. Anthony Nguyen. Yeah, I mean, I'm one of those traders. Usually, I don't like talking too much. Like if you meet me on a personal level, like I'm one of those, you know, like I'm not an introvert, if you will, but I don't like to talk too much when I'm trading. So it kind of conflicts, right? Because I'm very serious usually when I'm trading. Very serious. But every time I go live, it's like a different conversation altogether now, so it's kind of funny. but definitely came a long way. But all right, guys, we're gonna do a giveaway, guys, today. Again, it's you guys decided you guys want to go with the cash giveaway, so we'll do that. Exactly, browser. Yeah, I mean, it's yeah, I mean, if you know, I don't like, I honestly, I think it's a good thing. If you guys wanna be a streamer, I think it's not a bad idea. I always encourage people to go on YouTube. I always encourage, you know, even if you don't have confidence right now, at some point you're gonna get it. So don't worry about confidence. Zebek the Midget, that defeats students of a Korean drama, a must-see. Oh really? I don't know. I haven't seen any movies lately, so I don't know. Is anybody here Cyborg? I have no idea. Sean, hey, PG. Merlin, you have a 3 kids under 3, really? And your wife is a doctor, and I'm a Mr. Mom. Oh, dude. I would rather be an occasional guest. Hey, at least if you're a mom, then you could be a full-time trader too, right? Are you actually trading full-time? Merlin, Flex Trader, man, what is up, man? Where are you trading from? I'm trading from my home right now. Hey, what is up? You're in the house, man. What is going on? How's your options trading going lately? Bowser, Kid Poker in the house. What is up, Kid Poker? Are you trading this market right now? Ever since you started trading, you stopped watching TV. I know exactly. You know, as soon as you start to get into trading, you stop watching for sure, 100%, man. And on top of that, for me, like, I'm streaming every day. I definitely don't watch TV at all. Like, I don't, like, completely disconnected. Not even Netflix anymore. So that's kind of good and bad, to be honest with you. It's like, it's good in a way, but it's bad in a way too. So nice. You're in some cat 440 puts. Yeah, I think that's a good call, man. I did not get a chance to look at the cat, but I was trying to go long on Home Depot a few days ago. What is up, GL? Sean Hazel in the house, man. You don't like TV anymore? I mean, I have a TV in my house, but I have not watched the TV for a long time. Industrial sector needs a pullback. That's right, I think that's a great setup for a pullback here. The final countdown in the house. What is up? Trading from home today. Nice. Got a next 5 days off. Let's go. Final countdown. Time to make some good trades. Guys, I don't know what this market's trying to do. I'm kind of stuck in the straight now. Not really sure what to do, I'll be honest. It looks like it wants to dump. Looks like it wants to dump you guys. I kind of feel like I got stuck in the straight. Let's see. Not this fucking monkey. Somebody asking about my EMA. Honestly, I'm not really sure. I usually have 9, 20, 50, 100, and 200. I don't even know if I really need all the CMAs, to be honest. It's all there to just make it look cool, everyone. Merlin, I think it's gonna go down. That's what you think? Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look that great, I'll be honest. It doesn't look that great. I'm gonna be very honest with you guys, man. However, that doesn't mean that we're not gonna get a bounce. We can certainly get a bounce. Anyways, I think what's important is the payout, guys. Man, my payout for the month of August is looking pretty good. I am so grateful. I'm so content right now. I cannot be any more happier than everything that's going on lately for me. So I hope everybody of you are also having a great time, you know. I probably do better without any indicators, I'll be very honest sometimes. You know, I'm okay to trade without any indicators, I'll be honest, because you can kind of visualize yourself where the support and where the resistance are, even without having those lines on it, right? Damn it, we're getting a pullback here, man. I don't want to lose this account now. Yeah, man. It's like, what again? I think it's a $15,000 worth of payouts, guys, man. It's only been 7 days already. Only 7 days. And 15,000. It's a great feeling, guys. I hope you guys are also doing well this month. You guys know I really struggled hard in the month of August, sorry, in the month of July. Finally, everything is just coming back to life again for the month of August. And hey, man, you know, we're gonna look for some more. Things are looking pretty good. You know, I've got, I don't know if you guys can see on the screen, but I've got my funded futures core account, a funded account. I've got over $4,000 even after those payouts, right? So I've got another one at $3,700. And let's just take a look and see how many more days I've got to trade on these accounts to get more payouts, man. So good, you know, so good. It just feels so good, guys. You know, it just, let's take a look. So 4 days, man. Tomorrow, guys, tomorrow is gonna be, I'm gonna be able to request a payout tomorrow. Another $2,000 on my funded futures. So another $2,000 on my funded futures core account. So tomorrow, guys, man, tomorrow. So tomorrow, I think maybe the end of the day, I guess, that's when I'm gonna request the payout. And where's my third funded account? Okay, so they're kind of working on getting me my other funded account that obviously I passed this morning. So they're setting up. It doesn't show on this what do you call it, on this chart right now. But my third funded account, it's gonna pop here pretty soon. Let's do a refresh. Maybe it's already up and running. Yeah, I'm just gonna refresh this, guys. I want to see. Oh, see, there we go. They got my funded account right there. My third funded account. I don't know if you guys can see it right now. My third funded account. Off you go. My third funded account's right there, guys. And we're gonna see if we can actually pass this No, what am I doing? Oh, there you go. Yeah, this is the one. Let me just make sure I'm not in any of the straights. Just want to make sure. Let's try to see if I can actually get... I only need $60 more dollars on this account, so I'm just gonna try and pass this one right now. Alright, so let's see. Let's see, guys. I just need $50 more dollars. Well, it's kind of like $100 now because I'm down already $40. Right at the start. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding me, guys. I'm getting a little pullback here. I only needed $50 and now I'm down about $80. Looks like the market wants to get a pullback here. Is that what it is? Nancy Pelosi, oh dear. I'm pretty sure she's made a lot of money playing with the options. Someone go get the bulls of the bears. Oh guys, man, are we actually going to start to get a pullback here? Is that what it is? I'm in trouble now, guys, man. It looks like we gotta get a crack here to the downside, everyone. We have a problem. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, this would be a crack to the downside. Breaking here would be a problem, everyone. So we better really get a bounce. It looks like the NQ and the ES are consolidating. Comparing ES movement last night, around this time, it's doing the similar move. It may be up as you're opening. 505 is the next opportunity to go long. 505, that's a long ways to go here. What are you talking about, Merlin? I can't afford to pull this all the way down into this 500, guys. I can't do that. And Riaz, we're gonna get there. Chick clap tonight. Oh dear. PG, gold is trying to grind. Nice wave. Really? Gold? I don't know. I did not take a look at the 50-minute chart on this one. Actually, I did earlier, and it looked pretty nice. You know, I did not... Yeah, nothing really wrong about this chart, I'll be honest. Right? Nothing wrong about this chart. Actually, you know what? We kind of feel like we're breaking here to the downside. Jeez, man. Fucking hate it sometimes. Yeah, this is breaking here. I hate myself sometimes. This looks awful. We don't get a bounce right now, then we're in trouble. I can't believe I had to find this freaking... What a beautiful entry there, Stock Tiger. Always finding a beautiful top to go long. Find the top to go long and find the bottom to short again. Hit myself sometimes. What am I gonna do now? If I try to short this thing, he's gonna get a bounce. I tell you what. I can't believe this, guys, man. I hate myself sometimes. I really do. I kind of feel like today is the day that I hate myself. I can't believe I freaking had to find a way to find a perfect entry here. 549. Jaitin Varma. Merlin, I always break my rule, unfortunately. Oh! I'm so mad right now. I just want to go full port, I'll be honest. And by the way, this is not acting. I'm just really frustrated. You know what I mean? I'm frustrated right now. Like, I had to find a perfect entry, man. This is what I'm talking about. Like, 549. What a beautiful entry, Stock Tiger. You know? Like, what a beautiful entry. What a great job. What a great job. Nice. Great job. Woo! Yeah, let's go. Stuck on this. I'm stuck on this other one. That's a bigger problem right now. I can't believe what the hell I'm doing right now.
Order rejected. Order rejected. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh! La la la. I'm fucking telling you, this fucked up. Man, just like what Dan just said, This effery is real, man. I am like, I want to throw something against the wall right now. What is it going to be? Should it be my coffee? Maybe.
Order rejected.
Alright guys, I showed it again. Maybe it's this one right here. Alright guys, yeah, this Tokyo open in 15 more minutes. This market kind of really slow at the moment. Nothing really there. So what are you guys planning? What are your plans, guys, for next week or into the month of August, man? What are your plans? You know? What's your game plan, guys? I want to hear from you. I want to know your stories. I want to know how you are, guys, going to try to get more payouts for the month of August here. I couldn't even speak anymore. Holy. I really cannot catch up to all my... Like, seriously? Oh, man. Bowser, you have Take Profit Trader, 5 evals and 2 of them are passed, need to flip. Nice, man. Nice, nice, nice. I like that. I like that plan, Bowser. I like that. Captain Price balance, back in the balance. Yeah, I think that's what it's trying to do. Henry, that Tick Tick Trader, S2F, direct to fund it for like 90 some dollars. What do you mean? Are you trading that? Andreas Genric, just use the FIP once the high and the lows. Wow, Bowser, man, you just locked in 2 payouts of Billanox. That's great, man. You have 3 more accounts for next week. Nice. Yeah, Billanox is definitely one of those harder that, like, I find it really difficult to get a payout with Billanox, guys, man. I really struggle with Billanox. I'm gonna be very honest. Anybody who gets a lot of payouts with Billanox, I'm gonna have, I really have a lot of respect for you. I'm telling you. Wincellas, man, doing a lot better this month. Nice, man. Month 2. Oh, Wincellas, you're actually a fairly new trader. You're in month 2, just trying to get consistent to get more funded accounts. Nice, man. Just keep it up, bro. Just keep it up. just loading in account length is not the end of the world, right? It's not the... It doesn't serve our purpose. So try to stay consistent with it, even if it's a small little, you know, 1 or 2 couple accounts you have. Miroski, would be nice to pass all my evals this month. Oh, Miroski, how long do you trade your evals? Like, I don't normally try to hold evals for anything beyond like 2 or 3 days. Obviously, with an exception, you know, some evals you obviously have to trade 5 days, and I get that. But on an average, about 2 or 3 days, but nothing really more than that. I don't like spending too much time on evals, by the way. I don't know if that really matters, but just letting you guys know. When sateless, man, you had $700 of the 2K. You just needed to pass 100K static Apex at 1 here, but I'm chugging along. Nice, Vincelis, man, that's great. On a 100K static account that you have, great job, man. Vincelis, did they actually win the Apex account from here? Nice, man, good job. Chat M, man, why is it so hard to go green once we're funded? Why is it so hard to go green once funded? Because you're very nervous, right? You're nervous and you have a lot of pressure to get the payout. To pay your expenses, right? Because once you're funded, you're kind of like, okay, well, now I've got to get a payout, because if I don't, I'm gonna have to start this process all over again, and that's a lot of pressure. That's a lot of pressure, and that's why when you have a lot of pressure, what ends up happening is you end up losing the account because you have too many things in your mind, right? And you're nervous, you're scared. And you get into a wrong trade at the wrong time, and you end up blowing your account because you get too emotional at times. So it's not easy. That's part of the reason why funded accounts are a lot more challenging than the evals. Evals are like, you know, nobody really cares about eval, right? Chat, and the rules in the funded accounts also change usually. Yeah, of course, yeah. The rules on the funded accounts, of course, will change. Right? That's just the way it is. Yeah, Andreas, like, you know, just spot on, man. Andreas made it very clear. He's 100% right. You know, there's a lot of pressure. There's family, there's bills, there's future wealth. Yeah, man, all these things are the primary reason of failure. Right? That's the reason why we keep failing our funded accounts, is it's because there's a lot of pressure. And of course, the kind of a pressure that we get differs trader to trader. Slow and steady with my eval through, since you've not passed one yet. Oh, Vincelis, you have not passed your eval yet? Good luck, brother. I mean, it's not difficult. Just keep it up. Just fight. You know, just never. You know, just don't be afraid. You know, to be aggressive. You know, if you kind of believe in that trade setup, then just go after it. Just attack the market. You got to be tunnel vision on your setup or nothing else. Nice, man. Great job, guys. Guys, so what is this market trying to do? I've got 3 mini contracts on a short-sided trade at 541. Are we going to get a bounce of this level now, or are we actually going to start get a pullback? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what this market does, guys. I'm hopeful that we get a pullback here into the low 500s. That's what I'm going to be looking after right now. OZ, this market's going to go down. Look at the 1 hour and the 50 minutes. I actually took a look at the 50 minutes chart. Yes, it does look pretty bearish, and I get that. Ugh. Let's see how my XFA. Guys, I didn't realize, but I lost my combine yesterday. I don't know how, because I wasn't trading, but it looks like maybe I had some couple limit orders, which I obviously forgot to cancel. So I don't know, somehow I got into trades, and then I ended up losing. In the morning I woke up and I was looking for my combine, it wasn't there. So it's like really funny. And sometimes these are things that's gonna happen to you. But look at this market, guys, it's really choppy. I did kind of feel like, you know, we have some more ways to go here into this low 520s, maybe. I'll pull back into that zone. Or I'm just gonna call back up again, I don't know. But look at this market, man, it's just killing me right now. Absolutely killing me. 7 minutes till the Asia Open. Alright, Tokyo, bring it on, baby. Let's bring this market down. Give me a chance to get out of my trade with decent profits. The Bank of Japan proceeds with additional rate hikes. So I don't understand. Japanese is increasing their rate. They're raising their interest rate. I'm very confused. Tiffany Smoky. You've always made a rule when I shut down to reopen and make sure there's no bugs with rhythmic and trade rate. Chris W, what do you think of gold? There's a big spike you think will climb up. I don't trade gold as much, Chris. I'm definitely the wrong person to talk about gold, I'll be honest. You know? Captain Price, mint the dump dollar or what? Means I don't know. I think that means the USD should go lower, right? Against the yen. Having a leftover limit order gets everybody at least once. Yeah, Tiffany, man, I don't know. I don't even know how I actually ended up losing that combine because I wasn't trading that at all. You know, I had over $1,000 in profits on that account, and I don't know what happened, man. I didn't trade that account, but it was at the end it wasn't there. So I'm assuming that I had some limit orders placed in that account. Luckily it's not a XFA. Luckily it's only in the combine, so I'm okay. I'm not gonna it didn't really bother me, but I was kind of looking for it, which is fine. Not the end of the world. Neil, hey Tiger, what is your trading strategy? My trading strategy is pretty straightforward. I look at the trend line, I look at the channel support and resistance, key levels, and I also use other indicators like VWAP. I use RSI as well. I use patterns too. Right, on a longer time frame, I use patterns. You know, one of the patterns that I like to use is ascending wedge, descending wedge, bearish head and shoulders. Right, head and shoulders is one of the pattern that I really like. Andrew, open in 3 minutes. Let's get a dump, man. Let's just get a dump here, guys. Just save my day. All right, guys, I'm just gonna place my limit order now.
Order working. Order working.
All right, guys, place my limit order. I'm just gonna leave one.
Order cancel.
Limit order for 2, 536 and 532. Actually, you know what? I lied. 536 and 530. Okay. I have a feeling this is gonna get a bounce, but let's dump this thing, guys, man. Let's just dump it. All right, Japan, you heard me say dump it. You heard me. Let's just do it right now. Let's just do it. All right, so my Fund Futures did not really take a lot of time to activate your funded account, so that's good. So did Tokyo open or yet not? Oh, we still have 2 more minutes for Tokyo to open, guys. How hard can this be to just get a pullback here, another 10 points? How hard can this be? Guys, I'm really thinking hard about going very aggressive with my XFA tonight. Maybe an overnight swing, if you will. That's what I'm really thinking about tonight, guys. I may end up overnight swing trading on one of my XFA. And I'm gonna try and attack that, guys, really hard. Let's just take a look and see how much of a drawdown I have. Where's that? So any one of these 2. Let's do one. So this is the smallest account that I have here, and I have $2,000 of drawdown. And if I go too many contracts, right? Too many contracts. If I go, maybe I have a chance. Guys, I may have a chance with 2 mini contracts. Place my limit orders at a channel resistance, and then take a stab at it. You know, maybe we get a chance of a big nosedive pullback in this market. We'll see how this night go, and I'm gonna try and attack this market, guys, tonight. I'm gonna take my chances today. I'm gonna look to see if I can actually make some couple $1,000s in one single trade today. A fat monkey. Hey, guess who's here, guys? Jerome Powell is here in the house. Thank you for your subscription, Jerome Powell. Are you gonna reduce your interest rate, brother? Let me know.
Order cancelled. Order working.
I want to be an insider. Thank you for your subscription, Jerome Powell. It was great knowing you, and I hope to see you more often in our chat. Talk about our interest rate and what you think about the economy as well. Yeah, I need him to cut this interest rate, guys, man. It's painful. And just forget about this market, but I mean, in generally speaking, like, we're getting a lot of pressure, right? Because of inflation and all that. Mortgages and everything else, guys, man. Everything is just freaking expensive. You better get this stuff together and just bring it down once and for all of us. Well, not really. I don't know. I don't think so. Honestly, Dan Emmons, I don't. You have a point. You have a really good point. Hold on 1 second. I'm just gonna make some changes here. Oh shit. All right, let's do a little poll. Market dump from here. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think about this market. Are we going to actually... Oh, hold on, guys. Let's just be cool. Oh, man. All right, guys. I was supposed to take this profit off the table. Oh, dear. Well, I'm going to have to wait for it to actually start to get a pullback here. So we're sitting at 535 right now. I had a chance to take one more off the table, but yeah, I'm gonna wait for a pullback into the 520s now. Let's see. I hope this is not a bounce, of course. That's probably the last thing I want to see. So we get a pullback here. I placed my limit order here at 530 on my second one. Gold is grinding to the upside. Jess in this live, I think you asked me this twice, and I told you in Canada, and yet you're still asking whether I'm in States or in Korea, which is fine. Tariff plus rate cuts is death. Maybe. Guys, we're getting a bounce. Are we actually going to start to get a bounce now? Let's just take a look at a 50-minute chart, guys. Let's see how this market is going to look like. It looks, well, we have a nice, beautiful EMA support here at 530. But it does look like we want to just bring it down to the 500s. What do you guys think? Maybe a pullback into the 500s, maybe? Yeah, pull back into the 500s. I don't know. What do you guys think? You know, I really want to pass this account right now, if I can, so I can just put this on the sideline and move on to the next. But I don't know. Am I supposed to be trading something else other than this? Maybe should be trading gold instead. Maybe. Right now it's tricky. Yeah, it is definitely very tricky. Maybe it's time for a little bounce. Maybe. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm gonna go long here, guys. I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna go long here, guys, and I'm gonna go long on the other account too that I need to pass. Yeah, here I need $300. I only needed $50, but I ended up losing $300 earlier, and I'm down to, I still need $300 in this account to pass. So let's see if we can actually make it happen right now. I hope I don't get screwed on this trade. But it looks like it wants to get a little pop, maybe. Maybe a pop back into the 550s. Because right now we're sitting at 540. So let's just move back to the 1 minute chart, by the way. Wow, look at that bounce, man. Alright, guys. I could be passing this right now. I could be passing here, guys. This could be a pass. $70 more in the holla. That's all I need right now. $70 more. Come on. Give it to me. Let's just make it happen.
Order working.
Let's just make it happen. That's all we need. That's a nice little call there, right? To the long. Kind of felt like, you know, we were overextended to the downside, so. Well, we need a one more pop here for me to kind of like close this trade. What do you guys think? Dan Emmons, man, let it run. Cleared hot. Let it run. Ooh! I don't know. Yeah, I would like to, but I mean, these are eval accounts, right? So I don't really need to. I would love to. If it was a funded account, I would have definitely let it run. But so this is $80. That all I need. So maybe if we hit this 548, then maybe the target hits. So I should be good to go, I think. Just a little push here back into this 548, guys. I think we are getting that right now. I think we are getting that, guys. This could be it. This could be it. $20 more, $10 more. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I know, that's right, Dan. I agree. Guys, man, I need $10 more, $4 more. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Are you kidding me? Are you serious about this? I literally, like, not even get filled. Is that right? I did not get filled. I did not get filled. I may be getting filled right now. We'll see. That's all I needed, really. Oh, I think I've got it, man. I think I've got this. Oh, there you go. $53,000, $2. All right, so I'm out. So this is gonna be my fourth funded account, brother. Fourth funded account, fourth. So that's good. I've got 4 funded accounts with my funded feature. That's great. We'll move on to the next one. This could be another one that this one I still need. Oh man, this is, oh my, what? Holy moly, guys, man, look at this pump. Oh my, you've got to be kidding me, guys. Holy moly. All right, let's see if I can actually hold on to this trade, guys. Maybe I should hold this. Maybe I should hold this. Maybe I say, let it run. Let it, I say, let it run. All right, guys, I'm down to 2 now. We'll see. Let's just see if we actually could get this going here. Back into 568, maybe. What do you guys think? You know, we had a nice, beautiful breakout of this area, right? A beautiful bounce. Beautiful breakout of this 15 minutes candle. 545 was a pivot. We literally broke out of that area. I like this. I like this. We may try to retest this 568, guys. That's the initial session high. That's a swing high, right? Swing high at 568. We could be moving into that direction. I like that. Oh, what a pullback here, damn it. What a pullback here. Holy, man. I definitely wasn't expecting this sort of a pullback here. Right? That was a little bit of rejection of the 555, but I still do think we get a bounce. The fact that, what is up, man? 100. How do you even pronounce that name? Maestro, what is up, man? PG. Kid Poker, it only goes up. Are you actually in a trade, Kid Poker? Dan Emmons, are you trading this? Are you trading this market? Look at this. Look at this bounce. This this 6-point pullback freaked me out, and then all of a sudden it's getting a bounce. Can you guys imagine if he actually ended up getting stopped out of that trade and the market starts to get a bounce? Guys, man, take a moment to smash the like, everybody, if you guys want to support the stream. If you guys want to see Stock Tiger go live every day, smoke those likes, everyone. Support the stream, guys. Thank you, everybody. You got over 300 viewers, man, right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here. A little chop, but I think we eventually get a bounce back into this 568 is what I'm kind of looking at right now. I like to see this thing get a bounce into this 568, retest the initial swing high. So we're sitting at 555. We have a little bit of a resistance here, but I think we got to break through this level and maybe start to curl back up into the 568, guys. That's my target. That's my target. I'm gonna take one off the table at 555. Sorry, 559 in that zone, and then look to see a continuation of a extension to the 568. Kid Poker, man, what is going on, brother? Merlin Graves, you're setting the pop YOLO degen accounts. Nice. That's my plan. Checking the gold for confirmation. PG. Holy moly! Look at this chart. Look at this chart, man. What is going on here? I have no idea. I know it looks fancy, but I don't know what this looks like. What this looks like an ES, maybe? Is this ES or what? Oh, this is gold. This is gold. So PG is trading gold, and this looks like what again? This is NQ. Gold and NQ side by side. Not looking too bad. I like that. Great job, man. Inverse correlation. It's not always inverse, by the way. It's not always like that. Look at this. Dr. Phenom actually looking pretty good too. Lots of great chart masters on our Discord, guys. If you guys want to join the Discord, please, you guys are most welcome, guys. All of you. Bowser, wow, look at Bowser, man. What the hell? Bowser in the house. I think he passed 53,000. Woo! Look at that, guys, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's great, man. What a PNL. What a consistent PNL is this, man. It's not easy to do this. And this is on a master account. 54,000. Are you crazy? Holy, man. Look at this consistency, brother. This is what we call a classic example of a consistent trader. Well, on an average, he had about $400 or $500. Wow, look at that, man. Master account on Billinox. That's sick, man. What a beautiful trade. Billinox master account, man. It's not easy to trade that account for sure. But Bowser, congrats, bro. I mean, you deserve everything, bro. Good job, man. Good job. Great job, bro. Great job. And yeah, man, look at Merlin too, man. What a great looking chart. What a great looking chart. And let's take a look at the payout, if anybody's got the payout. P&L. Alright, nothing really there too much. Just going back to... Alright, so this market pushing, guys, man. I think I am going to pass this one as well. I think it's getting pretty close to passing too. Right, so I only need about $500 more dollars. So I think once you get to the 568, maybe this gets triggered. Because I don't know what, no, I lied. I need $600 more dollars on this account. What a beautiful entry, guys, man. 538. My 538 is my entry, man. 538. Now we're at 570, 565. Literally about 30 points. 30 points bounce. And man, look at that beautiful entry, guys. Isn't that like picture perfect looking entry? Wow. And then held this breakout of this pivot and a follow through extension. And the retest of the swing high. Great looking chart, guys. Great looking chart. Great looking trade too. Nice, man. Nice, guys. I like it. I may try to go long on my funded account too, guys. I'm gonna let this thing ride, do its thing, and I'm gonna move my eyes on my funded account, guys. Let's try to see if I can actually step into my funded account, guys. 1 second. So I'm gonna place a limit order here of 560. I actually got filled, guys. I actually got filled right now on my funded account, on a core funded account. I got filled at 560, guys. This is on a funded account, by the way. So while my other eval is doing its thing right now, I hopped into a trade with my funded account on my core account, and I'm gonna look to see if we can actually get back into this 568. That's the retesting of this initial high, and look to see if I can actually get out of this trade with the $100 profits on it. That's gonna count it as a day. That's really all I'm looking for right now. So I may think about an overnight swing trade, guys, either with one of my new core account, funded account, or with my XFA. I may try to go with the core account though. Actually, you know, I kind of lied, because core account you can only take one. They're kind of capped into 1K, so you cannot take any more than that. So I may try to go with XFA. Try to go a little more aggressive with XFA account. So I may be a little chasing at this point on this funded account, but I'm gonna take my chances. I'm gonna place my stop here at 5, right underneath the 550 here, guys. That's where my stop is going to be. So this is a little drawing here, guys. I thank everybody for being here today on a very, very long day. Not just for me, but for you as well. You know, on a busy Thursday night. Over 300 viewers, guys. Guys, we are getting a pullback here, guys. We are getting a pullback here. I'm not scared, by the way. I'm not scared. If I end up getting stopped out, that's fine. Just keep in mind, I've got $3,700 on this account. $3,700 on this account, guys. That's not small. And if I'm trading with 1 mini contract right now, I mean, there's only so much I'm gonna lose, right? If I'm not adding to a contract here, I'm totally safe, in my opinion, right? So if I place my stop here, let's say at 540, like what's the most I'm gonna lose on this account? Not, this is like 15 points, a pullback. I'm gonna end up losing about what, $300-400 on this account. I still have $3,700. I got a lot of cushion on these two funded accounts, man, with the core accounts. It almost kind of makes me feel like, you know, every 5 days is gonna be a payout, and it's already 4th day on this two funded account that I am right now. It's already on the 4th day, guys. So $100 if I make today, I'm gonna request the payout tomorrow in the afternoon, guys. And every 5 days from here on, it's a payout. Unless I make a really silly, stupid mistake. Unless I start to do that, or oversizing, which I'm never going to do on this funded accounts. At most, it's going to be a 1 mini contract. I'm going to trade with 1 mini contract, and I'm going to look to make just $100, man. That's all you need, right? $100 is all you need. And every 5 days, $1,000. And we still have another 20 days to go. Maybe another four attempts to get the payout, right? So that's going to be $2,000. $2,000 times 4. Man, that's 8,000, and I have already taken 2,000 out of this accounts. So not a bad looking situation here, if you will. Things are looking a lot better for sure. Very nice, man. Very nice. I like that. Sean Hazel, makes sense. Yeah. Chad M, are you going to scalp a mini to make $100? Yeah, why not? Why not? I'm risking about $200-300 to make about $100. And if I feel confident that this could be a little bit more extension, then I'll just leave it, you know, for a little longer, right? Scoopy Curry, what is up, man? What is up, brother? Long time no see. You're in the house, man. You caught the 534 bounce. Nice. Yeah, I caught that. Whew. What a smoking trade. OZ in the house, man. Merlin. You're going to get a bear for the Bears. Nice. The number one in the chat here, guys, Merlin Grace, man. I'm gonna have to give a little giveaway for the most active chat as well. I may have to do that, you know. Poet Pablo, you're finally out of work. Nice, man. Oh, this is pumping here, guys, man. This is pumping. I only need $100 more. Guys, this could be it. I'm gonna place my limit order now. My limit order. Limit order. Limit order. Are you serious? Limit order. Limit order. Come on! That's $115, man. That's it, bro. That's $115, man. That's all you need. It doesn't get any more better. So this is passed. This eval is passed. This might find the futures core account. This is the one that I'm trying to pass right now. So we are retesting this 568, guys. I may have to close it here, guys. I may have to close this, right? Or maybe not. Let me just take a look on a 15-minute chart, guys. Let's take a look at a bigger time frame. Yeah, this could see a bounce back into, man, this could just keep going here, guys, man. I kind of feel like, you know, we have some more extension here that could take place. I like this setup for a bounce into the 600s now, guys, man. Do you think this bounce is over? We only had 2 green bar on a 50-minute chart. Guess what, guys? When you have this impulsive move to the upside and you have 2 green bars straight back to back, you kind of have some more extension, right? Usually maybe a couple more. Yeah, I kind of feel like, you know, maybe I should hold this. Just leave it there, you know, for a little longer. And maybe hold it through. Maybe I may end up adding to my position too. Hold on 1 second, guys. You know what I'm gonna do? Nah, I'm just gonna leave it there. One contract here, guys. One contract. I only need $500 more. I'm gonna look to target about 580 here, guys. We may get a pullback here, but I think the reason why I was actually thinking about exiting this trade and place my limit order to the long side of 560 area, but I think the probability of a quick bounce back up again, it's higher than getting a pullback here, back down again. So I'm gonna just stick to my trade here, 1 mini contract, where I'm gonna hold on to this to target 580 here, guys. I think once we hit the 580, I think this could be passed. So that's the account. I've got one more one more core funded account, 50,000. This is a new account that I just got right now. So this is active now. I can trade this account, but I wouldn't do that right here. I'm gonna think about which account am I gonna go overnight swing, either with the core account or with the take profit trader. No, not with take profit trader pro account, with the XFA or the core model. We'll see. Andreas Genrick, man, what is going on? Some blow it. Kid Poker in the house. PG RW, man, what is up? Ken D, your Discord link does not work and you want to join? Absolutely, sir. I am here. I am here for you. Guys, don't forget to subscribe on my main channel. Guys. I'm gonna share that link again for you guys to hop onto my main channel and subscribe on that main channel if you guys want to support the stream. And plus, on top of that, guys, I am gonna start to go very live more often on my main channel, right? So just make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell as well to not get missed every time I go live on my main channel, guys. Let's go, baby. J-Min in the house, man. Stock Tiger making money while away. Kudos. Hey, J-Min, man, you're also banking. You know, we all bank together, brother. We all here together to bank every day. I'm not alone in this. Wake up to Kachinga. Yeah, that's it, brother. Toxic FX. What is up, man? Hope you're winning as always, bro. Well, I'm doing okay so far. I'm doing okay, guys. I cannot be any more grateful than what's been happening here so far for the last couple weeks. Design not in the house, man. Nothing can bring it down. Uh-oh. When we all believe nothing's gonna bring it down, then guess what happens to the market? The market starts to tank, right? As when everybody starts to give up, including myself, and that's when the market's gonna start to tank, guys. Let's take a look at the Discord here. If you got anything going on there. Somebody's mentioned something. All right. Man, we gotta have to do a much bigger giveaway, guys, man. Seriously. Man, we have over 1,000 members on our Discord, by the way. And we've got over 5,500 subs on my main channel, by the way. And we just passed over 1,600 subs on my second channel, YouTube, by the way. You guys are the best. All right, guys, back to trading now. Back to trading. Back to trading, everyone. By the way. All right, so what am I supposed to do now? Am I supposed to get out of this trade right here? I'm so tempted to go long on my other one, on my other master account that I have. So I can stop thinking about my funny futures anymore until tomorrow afternoon. Guys, by the way, on my case, Stock Tiger, just stop it. Just take a little step back and stop using this by the way anymore. It's got into my head right now. It's like every sentence I use, it's like by the way at the end. By the way. Alright, guys. By the way. By the way. So I think I had 2 more days to request the payout on this XFA. That's $4,500, man. $4,500 on this XFA. Let's take a look. Yep, I have 2 more days to trade on this. 2 more days, guys. 2 more days, and I'm gonna request the 22. Is it 22? No, $2,300. $2,300 requesting a payout on this XFA. So let's just take a look how much it's going to be. $2,300 plus 500, that's 27. And then there's another $500 here, that's $3,200. So another $3,200 worth of payout request in the next 2-3 days. Yeah, so $3,200, another $3,200 on XFA in the next 2 days, 2 to 3 days, I guess. And for sure, by Funded Futures, 2K. And tonight I have a request of Take Profit Trader Pro account that I got. I made a little less than $900 yesterday overnight at about 3 o'clock in the morning. I got into a trade. It took me 2 minutes. I woke up, opened my eyes, got into a trade on my Take Profit Trader, made $900 in the first 2 minutes, and I closed the trade. I went back to bed. It only took me 2 minutes to do that. So what a great trade, man. It paid for my sleep, you know. So that's $900. I'm going to request a payout tonight on my Take Profit Trader Pro account. That's great. Everything is looking so juicy right now. So that's $900 of payout on my Take Profit Trader Pro account. So that's going to be nice, man, guys. 5, 6. Yeah, guys, man, another $6,300 of payout coming out. Over and above the already taken $15,000. Yeah, 15,000 already made on the first 5 days of the month, and then the next few days, $6,300, guys, man. That's gonna be like 20 something. Wow, what a journey, guys! What a scramble, you know. Good moments and bad moments, you know. Yeah, it's a lot of fun, guys. A lot of fun. Final countdown, counting golden. Yeah, while you sleep. I know. I don't know. It's just a coincidence. I wasn't actually planning to. It wasn't part of the plan to wake up, you know, like 3 a.m. in the morning and start trading. I woke up because I needed to go to the washroom, and then I was like, you know what? Let me just take a look at the chart, you know, just for a few minutes. I looked at the chart and I said, you know what? This looks pretty good to the long. I did not think twice. I just entered with 3 mini contracts on a 25k account size on a pro. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I took a stab at the trade. I felt great about that trade. I was absolutely fresh, of course, right in the morning, early in the morning. And then blink of an eye, like 2 minutes, man, just popped. You know, I was like, oh, okay, well, here we go. I'm going to take my profit and run away. $900. And I shut it off and I went to bed again. And then, yeah, there we go, man. That was a beautiful $900. I wish every day is like that, you know? Can you guys imagine if every day is like that? Like 2 minutes trade and then just walk away? Hate for your sleep, yeah, for sure, man. Sean Hazel, man. DJ Toe Kent, what is up, man? Final countdown. Fiber Splice Gold. Sean Hazel. Captain Price. Brainwash Cleaner. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding me, guys. Is this actually just keep going? Are we not gonna stop here? Are we actually gonna just keep going? Look at my entry, guys. I can't even see my entry. Holy moly. Ooh, look at that beautiful entry, 538, guys. I've been holding this for like 50 points now. Can I just take it off right here? I'll take it off right here, guys. I'll take it off and re-enter, because I only need about $100 more, right? So I don't know if I want to just keep holding this. Holy moly, guys. Kid Parker getting destroyed. Oh my god. All right, guys, we gotta get this market pull back here, because to support Kid Poker, to keep Kid Poker alive, we gotta get this market pull back here, guys. Guys, we're getting a little resistance or what now? All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right here. I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order filled.
All right, there you go, guys. I exited this trade, and yeah, I only need $300 more, guys. So I'm gonna re-enter long here on a pullback. And that's it. You know, I'm not gonna trade anymore. There's really nothing else to trade on my funded futures. Oh yeah, I still have to trade this account, my funded futures on a funded account here. This is like $4,000 profit, man. I don't even know. I actually got lucky. Oh yeah, I remember. I thought I was trading my eval, but then I ended up trading my funded account, and I made $1,000. I think. Well, no, I lied. About $800 this morning on this account. So this account's up 54,000 now. $4,000. Jeez, man. I wish I can take all of these out right now. It'll be golden. Is there a way to take all this out and just close this account maybe? I'd like to just take, you know, just take all this $4,000 out and just move on. And even this as well, $3,800. I don't know if there's a way to do it. I would love it. I'd love to do that for sure. The final countdown, counting gold. Yo, Yojin Blab in the house, man. What is up, bro? What is up? Top say, do you use Bookmap? Top say, do you use Bookmap? No, I don't. I do not use Bookmap. Do I want to use Bookmap in the future? Maybe. It's just as a reference to make it, you know, just to make it look cool, maybe. But I hardly use Bookmap. Toxic FX. That's a problem with the core accounts. 1K at a time. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's the problem, and I don't know if that's a problem. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not gonna complain about it. Obviously, I never thought I was gonna get to $4,000 in profits, anyways, right? So I'm okay. You know, it's like maybe it's even better because now I can consistently take this money out, right? Every 5 days. Every 5 days, just keep taking $1,000. Treat them like a small savings account. Exactly, PG. You got that right, and that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, it's gonna be hard for me to blow these accounts, right? Unless I do really stupid stuff with this account. All I really need to do is trade micros and make $100 every time I trade, and put a hard stop to it. It's gonna take me a long time to lose this account, right? So that's really what I'm kind of looking for right now on the My Funded Futures core accounts that I have. I think the goal and the idea is for me to treat this like a savings account, like just what PG said. I think that's gonna be a good game plan on these accounts. Kid Poker. The momentum is definitely up, yeah, for sure. Yeah, hopefully overnight we get a pullback. Hopefully overnight we get a pullback. We could, but I think everybody's thinking we get a pullback, right? All the retail traders kind of thinking we get a pullback. So I don't know. I don't know, guys, man. Honestly, it's hard to say where this market's gonna go. I'll be honest. All this pullback that we had, it's like never really happened right at this point. Like this 800 all the way down to 22,800. All this pullback is just given back right now. I kind of feel like, you know, we are going to retest this zone. I kind of feel like we're gonna get there at some point. I don't know if it's gonna be today or tomorrow. This is gonna be crazy, man. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Like, are you serious? You know, this is insane. This is an insane move. Hold on 1 second, guys. This is an incredible move, guys. What a strength in this overall market, you know? Just moving back to the 1 minute chart. We're getting a little pullback here. So like I said again, I'm looking to reload, re-enter long on a pullback here, guys. That's what I'm going to be looking for. Every pullback is a failed breakdown. Yeah, market is very strong here, guys. It's going to be hard. Guys, please take a moment to smash the like, everybody, if you guys want to support the stream. If you guys want to support Stock Tiger, smash the like, everyone. Guys, 1 minute, I'll be right back. Whoa, what a dip here. I am gonna... this could be a little mistake, but I'm just gonna go after this, guys. I've got one mini contract on this trade. So I need $300 more to get this thing going in the right direction. I still kind of feel like, we get a bounce. So I'm gonna try and go long on this funded account that I have with me. Alright guys, I'm in a trade right now with this account that I've got $4,000 in profits, and I'm gonna be risking about a little less than that, about $250. Okay, so I'm looking for a bounce from here. Actually, you know what? I lied. Let's just bring it down here a little bit. 561. Is this going to be a start of a bigger pullback here, guys? Maybe. I'm starting to see something a little different. Maybe this could be a little bit of a topping. Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait. I'll let it do its thing for now. So unless it stops me out, I'm just gonna leave this trade as is. Okay. I kind of feel like we could see this thing pull back into this zone first, where my stop is. That's what kind of bothers me a little bit, but I could be wrong. We'll take a stab at this, guys. I mean, it's 50-50 at this point. We may end up getting a little pullback before we get a bounce. This could be a pullback here, guys. Hold on one second. I'm just going to exit this trade. I think I'm going to have to exit this trade. Ah, man. I don't know. Are we going to pull back here down into this 560s maybe before we start to get a bounce? We're a bit oversold though from an RSS standpoint. So hold on, I'll just leave it. I'll just leave this trade to do its thing for now. If it does not hold, I'll play a fib level. Yeah, I mean anything can happen. Guys, I'm just gonna exit this trade. I feel uncomfortable. I'm just gonna exit this trade. I'm gonna exit here as well. So let's just wait for a little bit to see what this market really wants to do. We are approaching that support area now, 560 zone. So we'll see what this market will want to end up doing. So I'm down about 130. I'm gonna trade my funded account on this.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I don't even know what the hell I'm doing right now, guys. I got 3 mini contracts on this funded account. Jesus.
Order working. Order filled.
Oh my god, you've got to be kidding me, guys.
Order filled. Order working. Order filled.
All right. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that, guys? $111 right there. $111, everyone. Woo! Let's go. What a trade. I was down 120 bucks. And eventually ended up making $100 on top of that. So that was a pretty quick move. Sometimes you have to take a decision, guys. That was quick, man. Holy smokes, man. Hey, I don't have to trade this account anymore. I'm going to make sure I'm out of all these positions. There's no order. There's no order. Let's just double check again. Once again, everybody. No order there. No order there. All right, that's it, guys. I'm going to focus on the eval that I'm kind of like, I need this. I need to pass this. This is the last piece of the puzzle. One eval that I need to pass, and this is the one. Let's try to pass this and just move on to something else, and not trade this funded account anymore on this my funded futures. I'm gonna have to trade the take profit trader. The take profit trader I don't need to trade. I just need to flip this account right now. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my mini contract micro. And I'm gonna look to flip, guys. 1 second. I'm just gonna have to flip this take profit trader accounts, guys.
Order working. Order working. Order filled. Order filled. Order
All right, guys, there we go. $4 I made on that. Let's see if I can make another one here.
Order working. Order working. Order cancelled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, there we go. Another $4 on that account. We'll try to see if I can.
Order working. Order working.
And now I'm gonna short this bad boy.
Order working. Order cancelled.
There we go, $2, man. That's it. I flipped all these accounts now. I've got 3 accounts. I flipped them, and so hopefully by Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, I will be active. This will be the pro account on Sunday night, guys. And I also have my pro account on my Rhythmic as well, and 3 on my Take Profit Trader Tradeovate. So that's gonna look great, guys. All the 3 accounts are passed now, so good to go there. Just turn my eyes back into my funded futures. That's one eval that I'm still looking to pass. I've got $500 more I've got to do, so we'll see if we can actually make it happen right now. Whoa, Darius just bought my Funding Ticks account. Really? Nice, man. Bought a Funding Ticks account. What does FHP profit percentage mean in this scenario? I can't find anything regarding this FAQ. I had never seen that before. I've never seen that thing before. I don't think that really matters. It's related to something else. I don't think that has anything to do with your account. It's like a stat. It's kind of showing you the percentage of traders. I'm just taking a look here right now, who successfully hit their profit target during the evaluation challenge phase. So if 20 traders hit the target, the hit profit percentage would be 20%, right? Out of 100 traders. So that's what it is. No? Merlin, am I wrong? I have no idea, man. I have no idea. I think Dan Evans is right. Guys, we're getting a bounce, man. 1 second. Oh. All right, so let's see. We have 54% said market dump from here. Oh dear, we had more traders think the market's gonna pull back. Market is stupid. It does not know how to pull back. Captain Price, well, it's sometimes hard to ride the trend sometimes. And I've definitely been wrong on a lot of occasions. O's, I think that's just a funding ticks way of saying 50% consistency, but it's not a 50. I don't think it's 50%. I don't. It depends what sort of an account you have. If you have a Pro Plus, then it's only 40%. It's 40% consistency. We did pull back for about 8 hours earlier today. Yeah, I know, and obviously got to bounce back again. This market is just silly, man. Sometimes. Guys, make sure to subscribe on my main channel if you guys not done that. So I'm gonna share the link again on my main YouTube channel. I am gonna start to go live on my main channel. Just make sure you guys are subscribed, and always make sure to hit that notification bell to make sure you guys are notified every time I go live on my main channel, guys. Oh my god. Holy moly, guys. Hold on one second. I'm gonna add. Let's see.
Order working. Order working.
Let's see. I kind of chased it, guys. I added to my position here, thinking we're gonna have this little bit of a follow through to the upside. Hopefully, it does that right now. If we start to get a pullback, I'm in trouble on this. I've got 3 mini contracts on this trade, guys. Better get a bounce now. Better get a bounce. All right, let's see if we get a squeeze here, guys. A squeeze momentum, or are we gonna get a little flashy pullback here? Oh, didn't I brain? Guys, can somebody check if my funded futures discount is still not working? Can somebody check for me if you guys don't mind? It's starting to really piss me off. I mean, you say good stuff about my funded futures, and all of a sudden it's like your discount code is actually moved. It's not there anymore. Like, what kind of a shit is that? Very annoying. And the market's pulling back, of course. Great job, Stock Tiger, man. Wow, look at Nikkei, guys. 1.8% up on Nikkei. The Bitcoin kind of break even at this point. Oh, only PW has discount. Fucking great. Now I'm gonna have to blow my accounts. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's fucking bullshit, man. Honestly, I think it's... You know, it's like... Anyways, I'm not gonna talk about it. That's fine. That's fine. All right, guys, 570 here. Man, this better balance. This really better balance, or I'm gonna be in trouble. Lawsuit? I have no idea. I have better things to worry about, to be honest, than worry about his lawsuits. Do I care? Absolutely not. Like I said, I've got better stuff to worry about right now than worry about somebody else's problem. Guys, man, are we actually going to start to get a pullback here? Are we? What brings you here? Get lost. Guys, I just need one more day to get 2,000 payouts on my funded futures. And Take Profit Twitter. Oh man, I can't wait for Take Profit Twitter, guys. Take Profit Twitter, $900 in the hala. Requesting tonight, everybody. Man, I've had this account for a really long time. My Take Profit Twitter account, man. This Take Profit Twitter account, man. I've had this for a long time now. Long time. Whoa! This I had like what? I have for like 3 weeks now. This account, 3 weeks, and I've taken like over $3,000 on a 25K account on this one, guys, man. Over $3,000 I've already taken out on this account. Incredible. Incredible journey, everybody. Everybody. Incredible journey. All right, anyways, just back to this trading. Stop it, Stock Tiger. Stop it. All right, we're getting pretty close to doing our cash giveaway, everyone. We said I promised you we're gonna do it. I promised you we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it pretty soon here in 20 minutes. Everybody get ready. Buckle up, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts. We're witnessing a little bit of turbulence. All I ask everybody is to crush that like, everyone. We've got over 260 viewers right now, concurrent viewers, guys. Only Only 105 likes. If you guys want to support the channel, please take a moment to smash everybody. We are just about to do our giveaway. Oh my guys, we are getting a pullback here. This is not looking that great. Honestly speaking, I don't like this, but again, I mean, I'm okay to hold this trade until we pull back into this 560s. And then if we starts to get a bigger pullback from there, then I'm going to be in trouble. I don't think I'm going to be able to hold this trade any longer. Right? So that's what I'm a little concerned about. But I still like this, you know. I kind of feel like this is a higher low setup. Maybe pull back into this 560s, but then obviously I kind of feel like, you know, we get a bounce off that level. So we have a resistance here, we got a bounce off that 560, and then we start to get a pullback. But man, what a bad entry. Once again, what a bad entry. I kind of feel like, you know, I entered obviously at a momentum move. I was kind of looking for a momentum push. But hey, we'll see if you get it, guys. Joey in the house, man. You were up 15k between 3 funded and go wiped out by the tariff in April. Oh. Yeah, that kind of sucks, to be honest. That kind of sucks. Okay, so let's take a look. Bit away. Bit away. Alright, I'm sharing my link to my main YouTube channel right now, guys. Alright, we better get a bounce now. Better get a bounce. Time for pullback is over. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Am I down? Is this finally going to pull back here? Back into the 500s? Is that what it is? I still... Oh man. This could be a double bottom here. I don't know. So far, it looks like we may end up holding this. But if you get a break here to the downside from this 555, I think, man, this could go all the way down. The retest of this 545 probably definitely in the cards too. Oh my dear, my. Not looking that good. We have a trend line support, by the way, in the 550s. So we could see this thing pull back into the 550s too. And that's where the trend line support is, waiting for this market to give us a pullback. And there is a chance for the longs to step in again. Honestly, I'm not really sure if you're gonna pull back all the way down there, but we could certainly do that. And that's what I'm a little concerned about right now. I'm definitely concerned about this. I'm kind of thinking maybe I exit this trade. Yeah. Yeah, this is a pretty a great spot for shorts to kind of like try to step in. Thinking that's a rejection of this support, and we have a resistance break to the downside now. Bears definitely have their eyes on this 565. Maybe we try to retest this 565 and then we start to get a pullback from there. Maybe it's gonna be a very, very tricky spot, I'll tell you that much. Right here, this is gonna be a big level, so we're gonna have to wait and see. 550 here, right? Andreas, man, what is going on? O's looks bearish. Yeah, it does look bearish, but I mean, we'll see if we get a balance, and let's see if we can push it up again. I think both bulls and the bears have a chance. Both bulls and the bears have a chance. And yeah, by the way, oh man, we're getting a pullback here now. Jeez, man, guys, I do have a problem. Uh-oh, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna step in with. I'm just gonna let this play out. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna get in with my Express account. Well, guys, I'm long my Express account, guys. I'm looking for 150 bucks trade. Guys, I'm long with my Express accounts. I'm gonna be looking for 170 bucks profits on this account right now. Looking to see if we get a bounce back into this 558s. No closing, guys. That's an eval. That's fine. If we end up losing that, that's fine. I've got 4 secured right now, so I'm not going to. That's still a lot of drawdown. To the market will have to pull back all the way down to the 520s in order to blow my eval on my funded futures. So I'm trading my XFA right now. I'm trading my XFA, looking for 170 bucks profits on this. My entry here at 558, looking for a bounce into the 560s. So that's pretty much about. That's really only about how many points again? That's like 8 points. Really, 8 points is all I'm looking for right now on this account. Let's see if we get a bounce, guys. Get a bounce. Hopefully we get a nice little pop. And so I can lock this out as well. Hopefully this gets triggered. Man, I can't wait to have my take profit trader accounts set up for the pro accounts. And I'm gonna get refunds on those as well if I actually end up getting a payout on the first payout on those accounts. That's gonna be great. I love it. Love it. Guys, we are going to do our giveaway as promised pretty soon here in the next couple of minutes. So please take a moment to hop onto our Discord if you guys are not a member. I'm sharing a link again. This is our link. That's a VWAP here, guys. VWAP 552. Merlin, our entries are the same. You know, I may be in trouble, but you know, I still like it. I still like a bounce. I kind of feel like, you know, we are going to get a bounce at this level now. We may try to flush it down a little more, maybe extend it through these 540s, but I kind of feel like we get some kind of a bounce at this level here at the view up. So we tested the view up here, 554, and we're getting a little bounce. Maybe you get a little more push here to the upside, but I'm only looking for 170 bucks on this trade. Like I said again, this is an XFA. I just want to count it today, and I want to get to a payout on this account. So I'm really not looking for something crazy. Just a small little base hits, just to count it as a day. That's all that really matters. And Alright, I gave the instruction on our Discord, guys. You're gonna have to pick up only one number, right? Only one number. You cannot have any duplications. You're not entering number twice. Two different numbers will get you to disqualify. You have to be on the stream to claim your winning number. Okay? And I'm gonna give you guys 2 minutes to confirm that you are there to claim your winning number. And just make sure the claim is through the PayPal. This is a $35 cash giveaway, everybody. This is completely from me. And I'm doing this because I love you guys. Just make sure you don't have any duplicated number. Only one number, guys. Only one number. Between 1 to 150, by the way. I completely forgot to do that. Edit this message. Number between 1 to 150. All right, the number is between 1 to 150, everybody. Okay, so if you have something else, just make sure you delete that number. And I am getting triggered here, guys. You've got to be kidding me, everyone. You've got to be kidding me. I thought it triggered, no? Guys, I took one off the table, guys. I took one off the table. I'm looking for a little more extension here to the upside now. Let's push this thing all the way up to 560s. Oh my, look at that. Oh! Damn it, I wanted some more, but hey, that's fine. I'll take it. 175 bucks. 175. I'm gonna log this in, guys. I'm gonna log this in, guys. Let's see if I can actually do it something else now with this account. How about that? Holy moly, guys. Why am I so nervous to do that right here? I'm gonna leave this, guys. I'm gonna just leave this. I'm not gonna do it right now. Just gonna leave this for now. We'll move to something else. I'm still down about $600 on this freaking account. Holy, I can't believe that. I can't believe that, guys. Anyways, oh, looks ugly. I can't believe I'm down $600 on this eval. Anyways, guys, good luck, everybody. I'm gonna give you guys 2 more minutes to hop into our Discord and post your winning number, guys. Your magic number, everybody, between 1 to 150. Okay. Just make sure you don't have any duplicated number. No 2 numbers as well. What is this now? What does that mean? I'm not sure what you're trying to... Alright, I think we have enough numbers, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys 2 more minutes, guys, to push the numbers, everyone. Alright, I'm still down about $700 on this trade, damn it. Alright guys, 2 more minutes for everybody to hop into our Discord and just post your numbers between 1 to 150. Read the instruction there. Just make sure you guys don't have duplicated number. No 2 numbers, no different numbers. Only once, 1 number. That's all it's going to count. You will be disqualified if you don't follow the rule and the instruction. Man, this month could be the biggest month of the year, guys. Holy man, I had a worse month last month. That was like the worst month last July, and this could be the biggest month. This could end up becoming a biggest month, everybody. We'll find out. We'll find out, guys. What is Cornado saying? Me and you had the same number, but I said it first. That's why I screenshotted. Oh. Whoever had the same number first will come as a winner, right? We'll count it as a winner. So if you had your number first, then you're gonna be the winner. Guys, just remember, if you have the same number as somebody else, and if your number comes up first, right? If you had it sooner, then your number is gonna be counted as a winner, okay? That's the rule. Oh man, are we actually gonna start to get a pullback here into the 50s, 550s? Yeah, I just want to quickly do some math here with payouts. So 15k plus another $6,500. That's 21. Yeah. So I think by end of, well, no, by Sunday I'm gonna be with about $21,000 of payouts. And guess what? You know, maybe. In order to be the biggest payout month, I have to be over 40k, right? So I've got to be over 40k in order to be the biggest month of the year. And that would mean I will need another 20. I'll have to start building another $20,000 somewhere. But you know what? The good thing is we still have another 20 days to trade. Another 20 days. I've got a lot of days to make this happen. So this code invite is invalid. Well, everybody's hopping in. I don't know why you can't, but I'll share the link again just to make it easy for you. Here's the link. Guys, once again, if you have the same number, right? Just remember the number that came in first is going to be the winning number, okay? So good luck, everybody. I'm gonna give you guys 1 more minute to hop into the Discord and post your number. 1 more minute, guys, and we will do the draw. Good luck, everybody. That Discord link is gonna keep changing, guys. It's gonna be hard for me to get the right Discord all the time once again. But I'll update it again. I mean, that thing changes every day, man. I don't understand. Like, honestly, I have no idea why that keeps happening, but All right, guys, we're getting a little bounce, which is great. This is great for me. All right, guys, to check your Discord link on Discord, what do you mean? So, guys, good luck, guys. I'm gonna have to start my giveaway because I want to get this over with so I can focus on my trades. I think we have enough numbers now, so. All right, so we've got everything that we need. So, guys, once again, this is a $35 cash giveaway from me to you guys because you guys show me so much love to the stream. And this is really in celebration of how much we have grown so far. We've got nearly over 1,000 members on our Discord, and we've got what's something even more interesting is we've got over what is it called again? We've got over 5,500 subs on our YouTube main channel, and over 1,600 subs on my second channel. If you combine the two, let's say even if you use 50% of this subs on my second channel, that equates to over 6,500 subs on my YouTube channel, which is huge. And I thank you guys, every one of you, for your support to the stream. And without you guys, obviously this would have never been possible. So I wanted to give a little bit of a, you know, something that I can give back to the community. So that's why we're doing the giveaway, guys. So hope everybody is having a great day. Let's do our giveaway now. I think I have given plenty of time for everybody to hop into the Discord and post in the number. So guys, good luck everybody once again. I'm gonna start right now. All right, guys. Now, don't tell me this market is going to start to get a pullback here, guys. I'm going to get mad. Good luck, everyone. Uh, 107, everybody. 107, guys. 107. Do we have a winner? 107. Nobody's there. So I'm gonna have to redo this again, guys. Let's do it again. 115, everyone. 115. I don't think there's anybody, so we're gonna have to move to the next again. The next one, number 12. Let's find out who the winner is. Oh my god, we've got a lot of 12s, guys. Who ended up having the 12 first? Adriano Iron. Adriano Iron, I think he or she is the winner here, guys. Right? Adriano, are you here? Can you confirm you are here? Adriano, I think that's you. Oh, I think, yeah. We got a confirmation from Adriano that she is here. Oh, sure, he is here. Congrats once again. You are the winner. I will need you to DM me. Make a friend request and DM me, and I'll take care of your claim through PayPal right after this streaming is over. Congrats once again, Adriano. Well deserved. Well deserved. Guys, should we do another giveaway? And this is gonna be Apex giveaway, guys. You guys want another giveaway, guys? We'll do another one, guys, because this is going to be the last trading day for an Asian market. I'm not gonna see you guys for another 4 days. So I want to make sure I do something good for you guys. Are you guys interested? Let me in the chat if you guys like that. Type in number 1 if you guys like that, guys. Are you seriously kidding me? All right, are you guys want to do this? You got acid reflux, need some. What does that mean, Merlin? Okay. I didn't burp though. I didn't burp. Maybe it sounded like I kind of burped, but I didn't do that. J8, man, what is up? How many accounts do you trade with? I trade them individually, one at a time, so. Alright guys, I'm just gonna leave this market do its thing, you know. We'll leave this account to do its thing for now. We'll get back into this giveaway mode, everybody. And once again, where's the giveaway? Oh dear, I got rid of it. Same rule, nothing's changed, guys. Good luck, everybody. Nothing's changed. Okay, same thing. Just make sure you don't have your number twice. It's gotta be the same. If you already had number from the prior giveaway, just leave it the way it is. And good luck, everybody. Between 1 to 150. Let's go. Again, this is Apex Eval account giveaway. You guys will have to DM me if you are the winning number right after the streaming is over, guys. Good luck, everybody. 120, guys. 120. 120. I don't think anybody's got 120, guys. I don't think anybody's got 120. All right, so we're gonna have to do it again. We are going to have to do it again. Redoing it again, guys. Good luck, everyone. Number 47. Number 47. Oh! Is this Alex B? No, Alex B or what? I don't think so. I don't think it's Alex B. I think Alex B had quite a few numbers, right? Alex B, can you let me know? Alex B had 47 and 99. I'm confused. Yeah, no 47. That's right. Okay. Right? No 47. Correct, guys? Just want to make sure. There's no 47. Does this market ever go down? You put 47 and then you put 99. Okay, so yeah, so that's not going to, yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking. So you had 47 and then you put 99. So it's not if you're gonna have to redo it, right? You had 2 number, so we're gonna have to redo it, and you're gonna have to delete one of those numbers that you had. Yeah. Thanks, Alex, for confirming that. Man, this market's pulling back. What am I gonna do now? Oh, all right, guys. I'm generating a new number. Good luck, everybody. Alex B, you gotta delete one of your numbers, man. Just in case you win it again. You want me to go ahead and delete yours? Alex, you know what? You did? Okay, that's great. Okay, I'm gonna redo it again, guys. Generating a number. 128. 128, guys. Nobody's 128. I don't think anybody's got 128. All right, Alex V, you kept 99. That's great. Thanks, brother. Thank you so much. All right, guys, I'm gonna generate it again. No number. We didn't have the winning numbers, so we're gonna have to do it again, guys. This is a lot of fun here tonight. 54, guys. 54 is the winning number. Let's take a look and see who's the winning number here, guys. 54. Oh! Boy, Pablo! Are you serious? Wait, 1 second. This can't be real. Am I dreaming right now? Am I dreaming right now? Boy, Pablo, 54? Is that right? Is he the winner? Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Boy, Pablo, long wait. This was definitely well overdue. Boy, Pablo has been waiting for this for a long time now. I need somebody to confirm Boy Pablo 54. Nice. Boy Pablo, man. Congrats, brother. Alright, Boy Pablo, congrats once again. You're gonna have to DM me once the streaming is over. That was great, man. I love it. I love it. I love that. Boy Pablo, great job, man. Great job. I love it. I love it. Great stuff. Hey, Versa Trader, do you trade with Apex before or no? All right, guys, congrats once again, Boy Pablo, and also congrats to the winner, Adriano. Adriano was the cash giveaway winner, and we have Boy Pablo, one of our mods on our YouTube, is the winner of our Apex giveaway, and I cannot be any more happier than this. Great people, well deserved. JH, how many accounts do I have? I don't know how many accounts I have. I've got three XFAs. I've got 4 my funded futures funded accounts. That's 7 there. And I'm gonna have 5 Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. So that's gonna be 11, and then 1 more of my funded futures funded accounts coming in, so that's 13. And then I've got what else I have? Do I have anything else? I can't remember. I think probably between 13 to 15 maybe right now. I don't really have a lot, but I think I always like to keep it between 10 to 15 if I can, and just do a little bit of a rotation between those accounts and not copy trade. I haven't copy traded for about 11 months now, so I trade them individually, and I am happy trading them on its own without really copy trading. It's been working out so far pretty nicely, so I'm not gonna try and change that until you know, something gets broken. Yeah, Adriano, just talk to me once I see your friend request, so I'm just gonna accept that, and I'll talk to you right after the streaming is over. It's not gonna take very long. And then Boy Pablo, also DM me, please. I'm gonna take care of your Apex account as well. It's great, man. I thank you guys, all of you, for being here. I'm gonna leave this trade as is. I'm gonna look to see if we get a little bounce in this market, push back up again. And during that process, I may try to trade some couple more XFAs as well, and look to see if I can actually end up swing trading overnight into tomorrow. I'm just gonna have to see, just to see if how strong this market is to the upside. We'll We'll see. I haven't decided if I want to go long or short for now. But anyways, guys, I thank everybody for being here. It was a lot of fun, and I appreciate you guys hopping into the stream. And being here itself is a big support to the channel. And I thank you for all your subscriptions as well. And thank you for smashing that like as well every day, right? And it's all you guys. Thank you all for your support, guys. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday night. Sunday night at 4 p.m. Mountain Time, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll see you guys, all of you, back on a Sunday night, guys. Everybody have a great, safe trading day tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day of the trading week. Just be careful. Do not blow accounts. Trade safe. Go slow. Take care of yourself. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday night, guys. Thank you, everybody. God bless and your family. Peace out. Yeah, I'm done. Here, Johnny, I've got to go get something to eat now. Maybe a little bit of a chicken shawarma, I guess. Everybody have a beautiful night, guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Peace.